Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your AAA membership, roadside assistant membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there is a official note, like if you want to cancel your roadside assistant membership, you can use two methods. The first method, you can see you need to visit your you can local AAA branch office, or you can tell them that you wish to cancel your membership, or they will cancel your membership. If you don't want to go anywhere and you just want to cancel your membership via online or via calling method, you can dial their phone number. So the contact number I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can visit on this page, and on this page there are lots of phone numbers, and there is also a section like member services. Okay, so you can choose their phone numbers. So showing phone numbers on the videos is not, you can easy, because YouTube is very strict in today's time. So that's why I'm not able to show you the phone number, but definitely you can visit on the page. This is the official website page, and you can find the number, okay, related to your membership, and you can get solution, or I will also provide you phone number in our video description box. Okay, so by dialing their number, you can tell them that you wish to cancel your membership, and they will cancel your membership. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.